Nah, that's lit. They got the electrical shit. That's tough. Drop him off. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Looks like it. Yeah, they've got a fan. It's fucking fun. January,
February. And the groundhog said that there's going to be more cold.
Well, you do realize that you're actually in the middle of the freaking ice age.
Nah, I believe it. I believe it. I feel like this is the coldest winter it's ever been in like the last 4 years, 3 years.
Maybe.
It was like summer the last couple winters. The last couple winters been like summer.
But see, you guys aren't old enough to remember what winter was.
Yeah, like 8, 7 foot snow days and shit like that. Come on now.
See, if you think this is bad, his name is Small Fry for a reason. He's Small Fry.
Nah. That's not my name now. Let's not do that. What? Whose name is that? Oh, good. Where the fuck is he?
So there's like a Donovan, who the fuck knows you went to jerk off. So there's 11. Damn, he's got his freaking recording glasses on. He just recorded me say that.
I edit my videos, man.
Anyway. Yeah, but you know what? When I'm making fun of Donovan, you might not edit that one. Really bad. Anyway. So first he's gonna get into open divs because they are the most what?
Common?
They're the most common. Pretty much every single car comes with an open div. You have to pay extra to get an LSD.
Drifty boy.
Does that make sense?
That's the drifty boy.
Even though and then like I said yesterday, every LSD on the market is actually based pretty much on that differential that came out in like 1956. Even the modern ones are still using the same basic design. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And it's literally discs that are what? Pressed against and
On a shot.
we go from there. Right? So, he's going to go over how the diff actually works to begin with. Then he's going to start going into the different types of LSDs, then the history of the LSDs. As I said before, like 1956, we didn't have an LSD. And he finishes it up with what are called spools. Yo, what is a spool do?
This is the block in the middle.
It's a block there.
Oh.
Both axles are linked together. There is a solid block that, well, it's a three-piece solid block that links the two axles together. Because I yelled at him and he said welding. So that's why he remembers it.
Yes, that
so
is
the
why.
spool actually locks your.
Alright, good morning. I'm back. You know, the usual. Check it out. Look at my ex-classmates.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm up that.
Let me get warmed up first. You got that on there?
A little bit. I was walking up. Yeah.
You know we gotta set the standard.
Set the standard. Hey, what the hell? Why you? What the? Yeah, they did.
Exactly why you should do 30, bro. Let's go.
If you wanna pick up at 8:30 in the morning.
No, we doing 30, 30, 30.
25.
You gotta do 25, yeah. Yeah, do 25.
Yo, take your shit off. It's gonna get a little dusty though.
You know, I understand,
Whose phone is that? What the fuck? That's your phone? What the fuck?
Nah, my shit, my lock, my pocket.
Yo, what in the world? Somebody better lock it. Yo, whose phone is that? Somebody better lock in before they get there dirty. Oh, you lock in. I would never put my phone down. Any.
Catch your eyes, yeah. Put my phone on, come right to your house. Get it.
Stop once you get tired.
I just try to make it like a
Yeah. Like 2 years pushing right now. Just gotta do the same That was 30.
That was a 30. Yeah, that was like 16, 17 or something. What's good, my boy? Oh. Damn, he about.
I know, right?
Shit.
Let's get it. Come on.
What is that?
That's 3. That's 20.
Bro, you got 10 more, bro. If you can do 20, you can do 10.
Cheese. Oh, nah. I gotta get my toolbox. It's good. He in there? Nah, he not in there. Y'all learning today? Nothing again? Oh, okay. So what do y'all do? Literally just sit there in silence? Got you. You might be on Roblox, huh? Look at the goat. Mr. Rose. That's crazy. Huh? What you mean? On course key? Yeah, on course key. Not on canvas though. But I'm hoping that it's a Stuart because he seems, for me, cool. Like we could do our little project. I got you.
No, now who's trolling?
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, now who's trolling?
Of course. Come on, you seen MLG and pro gaming and all that shit. You know that reaction time shit is real.
This reaction time and here to there is completely different.
He has a point.
Nah, it's
I agree with that.
locking in on one thing. You're sitting and you're looking at something,
What you're
locking
not
in.
getting is that
Transfer to your hands
I
or your
do
feet.
get to lock on one thing. The Christmas tree doesn't move.
Exactly. So we will have an easier time.
Your monitor, you need to lock in on the entire screen. I get to lock in on a light bulb.
So it'd be easier because we have to lock in on more shit. Running, sliding,
Which means
jumping.
that your
Feel
reaction
me?
time is going to be what?
It's like exactly
Quicker.
Slower.
How?
Because I'm literally locked in on a single point.
But if before I did that, I was always looking at things that I had to focus on multiple things. Then you make me focus on one thing.
So, do me a favor. Right?
Y'all both got a point.
You're focused right on me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he's focused right on me.
Right?
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Give him something else that he has to focus on.
Here we go.
Bro, what? How does that make a point?
Because you may have been focused on me, but he was gonna punch you in the head.
Punch you in the face.
But how does
How
that?
do you react to him if you're locked on me?
You would have to react to this.
What?
Like you would have to.
You get what I'm saying?
No.
I'm the Christmas tree at the track.
Right?
You're locked in on me.
Right?
Boy, fucking glasses though. They got fucking cameras in them too.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you get what you're focused on me. You're not and you're focused on what? This hand. Well, what about this one?
Isn't it the same
No,
with
it's
not.
No, it's not.
What?
Because I'm looking. See, I don't know how you game. I have a 55-inch monitor.
So do I.
I got a 60.
I saw a different focus.
So do I.
A 60-inch TV on play.
Because
Yo!
I'm focusing in on the entire monitor.
Exactly. Like,
I don't know how good people
And I'm
play
playing.
like these little.
yeah, I hate that
I
shit.
can't do that shit, bro.
The only thing is that it's a when you wanna. See, guys, when it's time to go home, this is the shit they doing. These niggas are crazy.
Honey on the day, come on.
That's your age just now.
Honey on the day.